Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Parker. I'm going to share with you how to use the Capstone Interactive eBooks. First we're going to sign in. W space H space Wilson. And we're going to click the one that says Capel. Your username is your 3 initials and your 4-digit number. Mine is a little bit different. And then your password I think is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you first get to Macinvia, you'll be on this home page, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see these two groups, Kinder Readers Workshop English and Kinder Readers Workshop Spanish. I'm going to click on the English one for now. And if you scroll, I'm going to click Load More. Load More. And this is what I want you to look for. It has a purple book with an arrow on it. It's called Capstone Interactive. And you'll click Open Now. And this is what it looks like when you first open it up. You can sort these ebooks by language. So if it's English Day, you can click English. If it's Spanish Day, it'll pull up the Spanish books. And you can sort them by grade range. So I'm going to choose K for kindergarten. And let's open this one, Brave Fire Truck. So you'll click Play Book right here. And then read book page by page.
Brave Fire Truck. Written by Melinda Melton Crow. Illustrated by Chad Thompson.
And if you like the audio, you can leave it turned on. But if you want to turn it off and just read the book, you can click audio right there to turn it off. I'm going to leave mine on. You can turn the page by clicking this arrow.
School bus, tractor, fire truck, and train are friends.
And then turn the page.
School bus is in his garage.
If you need to get out of the book, you can click this little X down in the left-hand corner. And then you can start your search again by clicking whichever language you need, and then Kinder, or if you need something higher, you can adjust this over here. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that was helpful. Thank you.